We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2016 Indian Scout in Thunder Black Smoke. This is a beautiful motorcycle, extremely well taken care of. We have the matching saddlebags to the seat, and they're really easy to open. They're on a clip system. Nice and spacious inside. We also have adjustable suspension on the rear on these bikes. Key is located on the side right here. And miles are 1,065. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.